Yeah, it's been a while. In fact, last video I made was like the beginning of this month about the fruit brute. But a combination of all the extra hours I've been working, haven't really had time, and everything else kind of prevented me from making videos like this. And if you notice, it's friggin' frosty outside, so yay! That makes it officially fan season being over. But it will be another fan video. Spoiler alert. But what's it going to be? I don't know. Although I think the title card already gave it away. But I'm going to wait a few hours until it warms up and the frost melts off. But, and as UXW Bill says, with the magic video, you don't have to wait that long. So, if we're ready, let's go! Back! That's right, gang. It's back. I didn't think it would, but it is. I mean, the design on the box kind of makes it look it, but I don't know. But yeah. Last week at Target, I decided to pick this up for science purposes. And it was on clearance too, so yeah. Was $17, what is that? Yeah, $17, now $8.48, so yeah. I mean, whatever happens to it, I won't be upset about it. I mean, hell, it's for science, okay? Yeah, right. Look at the bottom. Exactly. But yeah. I thought this would be an HBF20, but it's not. Turn around. Do this one-handed. This one is an HBF2002A, so they did away with the A and just whatever. But yeah. Quite operation. Patented blade design for maximum airflow. Integrated handle. Yeah. 3-speed settings. Easy to use cord storage. 20-inch blade. Debatable. But the durable metal frame for long life. Not after I'm done with it. So yeah. Let's take it out of the box and see what we got. So I guess we're ready. Let's unbox it and check out this piece of crap. Yeah, let's tear the box open because, hell, I didn't bring my knife and we're not saving the box for anything, so screw it. Oh crap, there's more in the box. And look, it's got the boombox cord with a fuse. So, ooh. Yeah. That's not what we're worried about. You guessed it, gang. It's the return of the almighty brace-bladed flame. It's got the brace power. Shut up. Okay? Nobody cares. So, yeah. Yep. Much like that Liquid 101 that I had. Plug it up and see what we got. Here we go. Yeah, that's high. Medium. Low. Yeah, I don't think you can hear it, but here's some scraping on the motor. Not safe. Yeah, check out that awesome spin down time. Woo! But on the plus side, I have some extra feet, so if I need them, why not? Quick poll! Who remembers this? That's right, gang. It's back. Back for another smashing of this freaking van! Shit! Wow. Okay, due to technical difficulties, because I hit it just right and the thing turned off, so like, wow. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Excuse you. Damn. Yeah, durable steel frame up, but man, you're making this no fun for me. Really not. Make a noise. That's it. Come on, stay put. There we go. Get out of frame. That's what it looks like after 5 minutes. Give or take a few. So yeah, look at that. Blade's broken. Holy shit, I think I broke the hub. And I did break the hub. Yay! You know what? I think I've done all that I can do with this thing. Now that's quality. Gotta love it. And for those that didn't quite see it, because I was out of frame a little bit, yeah, look at that. Motor still spins freely, but yeah, so we're gonna see if this motor still spins or works or something. Here we go. Are you for real? It's dead. So yeah, I guess that's going to conclude this video of the Almighty Brace Blade fan, which, as you can tell, didn't even survive. I love it. I don't know if there will be another fan destruction video or something, but this may be the last one of the year, but there will be more videos to come. So I guess until next time, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. And the comment box is open. Who's gonna clean this up?